the quiz, okay? And quiz, it means what? We are going to summarize all the learnings, okay? So try to solve all this. We have the first question that is just to translate the things, okay? Okay. So everyone, let's do this, okay? So nothing is to worry. Translate each phrase into the algebraic equation or expression, okay? So sum of z and 10 equals to y. It means what you are going to sum them, okay? So z plus 10 equals to y. So that's clear, okay? Now the next one, the difference of 10 and r, okay? So difference of 10 and r, so they are not saying which one comes first. So I'm writing in the same order, difference of 10 and r. Okay, fine. Now the next sum of 40 and y is equals to 45. So they are saying sum. It means what? This is sum and 40 and y. So I have to put in between the plus sign, this plus sign, okay? And that is equals to what? 45, okay? Now the next thing is what? The product of m and x is the same as the 20. So it means what? Product of m and x, it means you have to multiply m times x and that is equals to 20, okay? Yes, raise your hand if you have a doubt, otherwise remove the hands. Anyone have any doubt? No doubts. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Translate. Chatresh, please don't mute, keep mute. Let's have this. Translate each phase into the algebraic equation. M decreased by the total of 25 and t, and 6 more than the product of 2 and x. Please do this. Okay. So this is looks easy, very easy. Nothing is to worry, and I am solving here, okay, in front of you. But before that, let me ask anyone. Okay. Okay, let me select. Isha, can you please answer me this one, the first one? Isha.
So me.
Isha, not Diksha. Isha.
It would be M
Okay.
take away
Okay. M decreased by the total of 25 plus t, right? So what we have to do? Tell me now. What to write?
to M take away 25 plus T.
Yeah, so m decreased by this, right? The total of this. So total of this is what? Basically 25 plus t, okay? And you have to decrease m by this amount. So that is going to be what? Like this. You can connect them now. M minus 25 plus t, okay? Like this. And that is why you have to put a bracket like this, okay? Now the next one, let me select the next one. Okay, so Jack, can you please answer me the this one? The next one?
That would be 2x plus 6.
Okay, product of 2x, it means 2x is there and then 6 more than, so it means 2x plus 6, okay. Okay, so now we are ending this lesson, okay.